And here we go. Tables match action underway.
Big clothesline.
He's climbing the turnbuckle. Will this pay off?
Kicks direct.
Look out! Elbow drop! No pinfalls, no submissions, no disqualifications. Only way to win, put your opponent through a table.
Really just laying it in.
This is some situation. Byron, what is going through the minds of these superstars?
It is so important that these combatants keep their cool. When you're running on sheer adrenaline, you are more apt to make a mistake. I think these competitors will proceed with caution and continue to feel each other out to see who will go for the first big move.
Bang, right in the face.
Wasn't expecting that.
Boom, what impact.
Ooh, jarring European uppercut.
Bringing it back into the ring.
That's a good way to make your presence felt. Oh, man.
Up and face first.
Flapjack.
Hooked up.
And a tremendous back suplex.
Ooh, what impact.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. When Monday Night Raw comes to your town, do us a favor. Make sure you show up to be a part of the longest-running weekly episodic television show in history.
This is how people end up getting hurt. Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Ow.
Great agility there.
He's in a bad spot now.
Yeah, he's got to find a way out of that corner.
Oh, no, we've got a problem here, guys.
Snap suplex, very effective.
Showing no signs of defense here, guys. Uh-oh. Look at this. Oh, my God, that table right there. This isn't going to be pretty. Oh. Wait a minute. Back superplex. Uh-oh. Look at this. Gets him with a counter. An impressive series of moves.
Looks like nobody's budging, Cole. Showing some quickness.
And this match can change that fast.
Look out here. He's got something cooking.
Missile drop kick finds its mark.
Now, putting your opponent through a table doesn't have to happen in the ring, right? It can happen at ringside.
Looks like he might be setting up. Oh, wait a minute.
How bad do these two want to destroy each other?
Oh, don't do this.
This is egregious.
Superplex to the outside.
Let's see that again. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Referee's calling for the bell. The match is over. Now let's take a look back at these guys in action.
here is your winner, Maria. Oh!
Well, that one was over before it even started.
When you put three superstars the caliber of these guys in the ring together, you're going to get an awesome match. And that's exactly what happened here tonight.
You're going to be hard-pressed to find action like what we just saw anywhere else, but right here on Raw.